Very good morning to everyone. Today we will discuss about minor food, medicines, and livelihood from plant and animal wealth. So, the major problem or major rationale behind the selection of this topic first is food, second is medicine, third is livelihood. So you can observe here I have written globally 822 million people suffer from undernourishment. 74 million interstate migrant in India and about 1.6 million deaths due to lack of medicines. So these are major problems, and to handle these problems we have to work on minor food, medicine and livelihood from plant and animal wealth. So minor food it means wild fruit, wildflower, wild leaves, tubers, seeds, stem, oil, fern, wild grass, creeping vines, climbing plants, mushroom, faunal species, and creepers have been foraged and used by tribal communities all over India since time immemorial. So we have to study those food which is used by the tribal communities. Medicine, particularly we use the plant parts like fruit, flower, leaves, tubers, seeds, stem, ferns, bark, gum, stone, faunal species, faunal oil, seed oil, and aromatic oil, etc. Livelihood, like a collection of non-timber forest produces, traditional farming, fish, crab, meat, goat, milk, ghee, hen, sheep, duck, birds, insects, mushrooms, agriculture, millet, seed oil, etc. So now for the contemporary situation, why we should know about minor food, medicine and livelihood from plants and animal wealth. First, the important factor is GMO, genetic modified organisms in plant and animal both. Of chemicals or excess use of chemical pesticides, insecticides, antimicrobial resistance, loss of biodiversity, and indigenous traditional knowledge. So these are contemporary problems. Okay, so we have to tackle these problems using the organic or using the traditional food, medicine, and livelihood. So tribal plus nature, that is called indigenous traditional knowledge. So only indigenous traditional knowledge you can observe inside the forest with the tribal communities, with the rural communities, or we can say with our rich culture. Now, what is minor food? Minor food it means completely organic, no use of chemicals, collected from wild, cultivated for very personal use, less population, used by a specific community, used in a specific landscape, used in a specific time. Nutritional analysis is not carried out properly. Less idea about nutraceutical potential, less or no value addition. Traditional method of cooking. What is unexplored medicines? Like less known plants having medicinal values. Traditional therapeutic values are not documented. Traditional therapeutic values are less documented. Uses are extinct in a landscape. Discoveries of new plants. Less documentation on faunal wealth as a medicinal agent. What is livelihood? Livelihood, it means we are talking about the classical livelihood or restoration of livelihood, like restoration of classical livelihood, restoration of the trading of wild food and medicines in sustainable manner, value addition and update marketing strategy, organic agricultural practices, encouragement of classical agricultural practices, need to know the schemes, government schemes, national, state level, international one, traditional livelihood. So thank you very much.